And welcome back with the DFW Scratcher. It's a Friday special. It's a $40 special. That's four 200 million cash explosion tickets. And I'm trying to bring this back because Monday we had about 220. So I'm trying to chase that luck, see if I can bring it back. Well, anyway, there's four, so $40 special. And before we start, just remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Subscribe to the DFW Scratcher, where we will be dropping videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays before midnight. And after midnight, the very next day. So let's go ahead and get into it. And like I said, it's 200 million cash explosion. And it is. Rules are match any of your numbers to the winning numbers. That prize, money back symbol to win instantly, and a 20 times symbol to win 20 times that amount. And we have tickets 47 through 50. So 47, 48, 49, 50. And it's ticket 47. And the overall odds in the game are 1 in 3.91, including break-even prizes. Top prize odds are 1 in 3,510,000, 2% chance of margin. There's the pack number. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see if we can rekindle that luck that I had. In order to be nice, I haven't got a symbol on this ticket yet, the money back symbol, and I haven't got the 20 times on this symbol. I've never got any number, the number of times on any card. That'll be nice hit on one of these four cards. That will be nice. And the winning numbers are 12, 5, 15, 10, 28, 22, 31. 12, 5, 15, 10, 28, 22, 31. So let's go ahead and scratch the first row. So we can start off with a winner, and we can't. Okay, let's keep it going. Keep it moving. Gotta get lucky something. A lot of near misses like that hurt the whole first row. It was 29, 27, 14, 32, and 33, which were all bust. Moving on to the second row. 25 chances to win. Give us a lot of outs here. A lot of outs. Go ahead and take them and get something for today. And the winning numbers are 4, 18, 8, 19, and 3, which was a bust. Moving on to the next row. Let's keep it going. Keep it going. Hopefully pick up another 200 or more. And the winning numbers are 30, 40, 39, 11, and 35, which is a bust. Moving on to the next row. Come on, give me something. Something today. And the numbers are 26, 1, 21, 25, 13, which is a bust in the last row for this ticket. Come on, give me something. And the numbers are 24, 2, 7, 36, 37. And ticket number 47 was a bust. Moving on to ticket 48. And I am feeling lucky about this too. I'm feeling lucky about this little string. Go ahead and scratch off the winning number. Same rules apply. The winning numbers are 31, 7, 4, 10, 16, 32, 5. 31, 7, 4, 10, 16, 32, and 5. So go ahead and scratch off the first row. See what can we get, can we walk away with. And my numbers are 27, 18, 38, 3, and 13, which is a bust. Moving on to the next row. Come on, 20 times symbol. And the winning number, my numbers are 17, 12, 29, 6, and 14, which is a bust. Moving on to the next one. And the number are 36, 8, 26, 25, 28, which is a bust. Moving on to the next one. Numbers are 24, 2, 34, 30, and 40, which is a bust. And the last one, the last row. Come on, give me something. Let me walk away with something. And numbers are, we have like 9, 15, 23, 22, 33, which is a bust. And ticket number, moving on to ticket number 45. I'm calling it. It's going to be the 20 times. So watch. Go ahead, scratch off the winning numbers. And the winning numbers are 2, 22, 39, 12, 28, 30, 38. It's 2, 22, 39, 12, 28, 30, and 38. Let's go ahead and scratch off the first roll. Come on. And the winning number is 16, 10. The numbers are 16, 10, 35, 27, and 33, which is a bust. Come on, man. And we have a winner. We have one winner so far, and that is 38. 38. Told you, look, had to turn around sometime. Come on. Go ahead and scratch off the rest of this row. We have two winners. Two winners. We have a 39 now. 39. So this row was 38, which was a winner. 25, 31, 19, and 39, which was also a winner. Moving on to the third row. The third row. Let me go ahead and get this dust though. Come on, one more. And the numbers are 5, 36, 18, 17, and 11, which is a bust. Move on to the next row. The next row. Like that 9 keeps popping up in all the tickets. Telling me something. And the numbers for that row were 9, 29, 37, 21, 34, which is a bust. And the last row for this ticket. Let's go over the numbers. And the numbers are 13, 14, 40, 1, and 7. So just those little two wins, the 39 and the 38. Yeah, the 39 and 38. Let's go ahead and scratch. Big zeros. Come on. Let's go. There's little zeros. We have a 50, 38. There's probably going to be another 50 for 100. Or 39. Yeah, probably another 50. I'm good with that. And we have 250. So we spent $40 and we're already up. We're up $60. So we just hit 100. So that's a good start for this. I told you I was feeling lucky on there. So let's go and put that to the side and do the last ticket. Ticket number 50. Ticket number 50. Let's get one more 100 more. I'll be happy. Or the 20 times, so I'll be happy. So let's go ahead and scratch off the winning numbers. This may have become my new favorite game or my go-to game when I need a winner. All right, and the winning numbers are 8, 9, 28, 7, 32, 21, 2. 8, 9, 28, 7, 32, 21, and 2. All right, so let's go ahead and scratch the first row off, see if we can get that other 100 that I wanted. And the first row is 12, 17, 6, 1, 23, which is a bust. Moving on to the next one. Oh man, I'm not feeling it on this one. I am not feeling it. And the numbers are 38, 27, 35, 3, and 24, which is a bust. Moving on to the third row. The third row, come on. And the numbers are 25, 14, 39, 40, and 30, which is a bust. Oh man, moving on to the fourth row. Come on. The fourth row. Let's go. And the numbers are 34, 26, 4, 15, and 29, which is a bust. And last row. Come on, man. You let me go out like this. And the numbers are 37, 37, 33, 13, 16, and 5. Like this one was a bust. But it was a good session. We profited $60 off because we won 100, spent 40, cash explosion. Gonna start being my go-to ticket if I need win. All right then, and just remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the DFW Scratcher so we can keep posting videos like this. And we'll see you next week for our next video. Have a nice night.